Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best MicroStitcher is probably one of the most innovative and convenient tools to hit the market for quick clothing repairs and alterations, allowing anyone to mend small tears, adjust hemlines, or even create custom designs right at home without the need for traditional sewing skills or bulky equipment. This compact device offers a surprisingly professional finish, making it an indispensable gadget for fashion enthusiasts, busy parents, or anyone who wants to keep their wardrobe looking its best with minimal effort and maximum efficiency, proving that sometimes the smallest tools can make the biggest difference in our daily lives. Number 5. MicroStitch All-in-One Tagging Gun Kit. Discover the MicroStitch All-in-One Tagging Gun Kit, your ultimate solution for fabric projects. This kit offers unparalleled precision and ease of use. Its ultrafine needle is expertly designed to handle even the most delicate fabrics. You can achieve clean, precise tagging without causing any damage. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with the tagging tool, an ultrafine needle, and over 1,000 fasteners. With a substantial supply of 1,080 microfasteners in both black and white, you'll have plenty for all your projects. This ensures you can tackle extended use without interruption. Say goodbye to messy pins, glue, or bulky tacks. This system provides a clean, secure, and hassle-free way to fasten materials. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from quick clothing repairs and quilting to fashion alterations and general crafting. Let your creativity flow with this versatile tool. What we like. This tool features an ultrafine needle, perfect for delicate fabrics. It comes as a complete kit with plenty of fasteners. If you're looking for a clean and hassle-free way to make quick clothing repairs or work on crafts without damaging sensitive materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The MicroStitcher is a game-changer for quick clothing repairs. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The compact design makes it perfect for travel or keeping in a purse. Number 4. PinkRed Label Gun with Minor Defects. Please note that this product has minor cosmetic defects, such as a slight mark on the wrench. These imperfections do not affect its functionality and do not indicate that the item is used or secondhand. While primarily a label gun, it can also serve as a temporary stitch gun for quick repairs. This makes it a versatile tool for clothing emergencies. The included fasteners are made of plastic, not cotton yarn. This ensures durability for your labeling and mending needs. When replacing fasteners, it is crucial to hold the wrench firmly. Ensure you leave adequate space for movement to prevent the fasteners from getting stuck or breaking. For first-time users, please patiently refer to the installation steps on the back of the color box. Following these instructions will help prevent the tool from getting stuck. Please be aware that there might be a slight color difference in the product you receive. What we like. This item has minor cosmetic defects on the wrench, but its function is unaffected. It's described as a label gun that can perform emergency stitches for quick repairs. If you need a budget-friendly option for temporary fixes and don't mind slight imperfections, this could be a practical choice. What people say. This MicroStitcher is a lifesaver for quick fixes on the go. It's surprisingly powerful for its small size, handling various fabrics with ease. The design is ergonomic and easy to grip, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 3. BS1 Clothing Price Tagging Gun Kit. Introducing a durable hard plastic tagging gun designed for long-lasting use. With standard stainless steel needles, it performs reliably even after thousands of applications. This tool is incredibly easy to use. Loading attachments and replacing the needle are simple tasks, and you'll be ready to go in just a minute. It works perfectly on a wide range of fabrics like wool, cotton, denim, and polyester. Please avoid using it on very delicate materials such as silk. This is a great tool for attaching labels to clothing, toys, bags, and more. It's perfect for retailers, online sellers, and even garment factories. While safe for most fabrics, the standard needle can leave a small hole on very fine materials. For best results, attach fasteners in seams or on sewn-in labels to minimize visibility. What we like. This tagger gun is built with durable hard plastic and is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from retail stores to yard sales. If you need a reliable and straightforward tool for attaching price tags to various garments and items, this option is a solid pick. What people say. The 2-in-1 design is convenient, switching easily between stitch tagging and standard price tagging, which saves time and eliminates the need for multiple tools. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and simple to use even for longer tagging sessions. The extra needles and 1000 barbs make it an excellent value for frequent use. Number 2. Uplift Secret Fashion Clothing Tape. Tired of wardrobe malfunctions? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes perfectly in place all day long. It's your secret weapon for a flawless look. This double-sided tape is designed to securely hold fabric to fabric or fabric to skin. It provides a strong yet gentle hold, ensuring your outfit stays put without damage. Whether it's a plunging neckline, a tricky hem, or a gap in your blouse, this tape is the solution. It works seamlessly with all types of clothing and fabrics. The clear design makes it virtually invisible, so no one will know your secret. It's perfect for all skin shades, ensuring a discreet and natural finish. Simply peel and stick for instant confidence. It's also easy to remove, leaving no sticky residue behind. Get ready to step out with confidence. Each pack contains 100 strips, providing you with plenty of tape for countless outfits and emergencies. You'll always be prepared to look your best. What we like. This product offers double-sided clear tape designed for clothing and body use, suitable for all skin shades. If you're looking for a way to keep your clothes in place discreetly throughout the day, or need a quick fix for wardrobe malfunctions without any stitching, this tape is an excellent solution. What people say. The durability, tape quality, functionality, size, and stickiness are perfect. They are comfortable and you don't even notice they are on. I used this to quickly hem my dress for a wedding. I was able to easily take it up by about 2 to 3 inches and only used about 10 pieces of the tape. The tape stayed put for the entire wedding and through the wash afterward. This tape is easy to use due to the tab that allows backing to be removed easily. The strips are a good width, not too narrow, and even I can place them correctly in spite of my eternal clumsiness with any type of tape. Number 1. Mr. Pen Tagging Gun Green Ombre. Introducing the Mr. Pen Tagging Gun, your ultimate solution for effortless tagging. This package comes complete with everything you need to get started right away. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures reliability for both professional and personal use. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it's lightweight and simple to operate. You can quickly and easily attach labels to your items without any hassle. Work for extended periods without discomfort. Its ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue, making tagging a breeze even during long sessions. Perfect for a wide range of products including clothing, toys, bags, and more. It's an essential tool for retailers, boutiques, and online sellers. This versatile tool works effectively on fabrics like cotton, denim, and polyester blends. Please avoid using it on delicate materials like silk. What we like. This tagging gun boasts an ergonomic design for comfortable, long-term use and includes a generous supply of fasteners. It's built with high-quality materials for both professional and consumer applications. If you're a retailer or online seller who needs a comfortable and efficient tool for attaching labels to a large volume of goods, this is a great choice. What people say. It was a replacement of an expensive tagging gun I bought from Office Depot that broke the first time I used it. Had to tag about 300 shirts for an estate sale and it did the job while only jamming once, and was fixed very quickly and easily. It was super simple to use, 3 steps, tagged my first item in seconds, and the case with extra needles and 1000 tags makes it an amazing value. Super lightweight, which my arthritic hands appreciate. Love the safety cap for needle that stays attached. This tagging gun worked 10 times longer than the ones they provided us with at the retail store I worked at. Highly recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.